Okay, we're ready for language today. You should have your book out that you've been working in. This is the white book. And you should have page 28 that you completed all of yesterday. We did the sentence work part together yesterday. And then I asked you to do the labeling the sentences on your own. And now we're checking them. So just like we would do in class, where we check it the second day, I want you to check this with me to make sure that you labeled your sentences correctly. Okay? So here we go. Let me change my color. The boy gave me his lizard. Who gave me his lizard? Boy, subject, noun. What is being said about boy? Boy gave verb. Gave what? Lizard, verify the noun. Does lizard mean the same thing as boy? No. Lizard, direct object. Gave, verb, transitive. Gave lizard to whom? Me, indirect object. Whose lizard? His, possessive pronoun, adjective. The, article, adjective. Subject, noun, verb, transitive, indirect object, direct object, pattern 3, check. Verb, transitive, check again. Period, statement, declarative sentence. Go back to the verb, separate the complete subject from the complete predicate. No adverb exception, and it's a natural sentence. Okay, hope you got that one. That was a pretty simple one, just to get you started with the idea of indirect objects. The comical little boy, now we're adding to the same sentence. The comical little boy gleefully gave me his green lizard. Who gleefully gave me his green lizard? Boy, subject, noun. What is being said about boy? Boy gave verb. Gave what? Lizard, verify the noun. Does lizard mean the same thing as boy? No. Lizard, direct object, gave, verb, transitive. Gave lizard to whom? Me, indirect object. Whose lizard? His, possessive pronoun, adjective. What kind of lizard? Green, adjective. Gave how? Adverb. Gleefully, adverb. What kind of boy? Little, adjective. What kind of boy? Comical, adjective. The, article, adjective. Subject, noun, verb, transitive, indirect object, direct object, pattern 3, check. Verb, transitive, check again. No prepositional phrases, right? Period, statement, declarative sentence. Go back to the verb, separate the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? Yes. Move the line. So we're going to move the line here. Is this sentence in natural or inverted order? Natural, no change. Okay, see that adverb is in front of the verb, so we had to move the line in front of it. Number 3. The bubblegum judge awarded Sheila the prize for the biggest bubble. Who awarded Sheila the prize for the biggest bubble? Judge, subject, noun. What is being said about judge? Judge awarded verb. Awarded what? Awarded prize, not Sheila. Awarded what? Prize. Verify the noun. Does prize mean the same thing as judge? No. Prize, direct object. Awarded, verb transitive. Awarded the prize to whom? Sheila, indirect object. The, article, adjective. For, preposition. For what? Bubble, object of the preposition. What kind of bubble? Biggest, adjective. The, article, adjective. What kind of judge? Bubblegum, adjective. The, article, adjective. Subject, noun, verb, transitive, indirect object, direct object, pattern 3, check. Verb transitive, check again. For the biggest bubble, prepositional phrase, period, statement, declarative sentence. Go back to the verb, separate the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? Nope. Is this sentence in natural or inverted order? Natural, no change. Okay. Our math teacher did not give us the answer to the problem. Who did not give us the answer to the problem? Teacher, subject, noun. What is being said about teacher? Teacher did give verb, did helping verb, did give how, not, what's not? Adverb. Teacher did give what? Answer, verify the noun. Does answer mean the same thing as teacher? No. Answer, direct object. Gave answer to whom? Us, indirect object. The, article, adjective. To, preposition. To what? Problem, object of the preposition. The, article, adjective. What kind of teacher? Math, adjective. Whose teacher? Our, possessive, pronoun, adjective. Subject, noun, verb, transitive, indirect object, direct object, pattern 3, check. Whoops, what did I do? Verb, transitive, check again. To the problem, prepositional phrase, period, statement, declarative sentence. Go back to the verb, separate the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No, because the adverb is not in front of the line. Is this sentence in natural or inverted order? Natural, no change. Give me a yacht and a captain's hat. I'm going to bump this down just. Who give me a yacht and a captain's hat? You understood subject pronoun. What is being said about you? You give verb. Give what? Yacht and hat. Compound direct object. Compound direct object. Give yacht and hat to whom? Me. Verify, or me and direct object. We should have verified the noun here. But yacht and hat do not mean the same thing as you. What kind of hat? Or whose hat? Possessive noun adjective. Article adjective. And conjunction. Article adjective. Subject noun. Verb transitive. Indirect object, direct object, pattern 3. I did it again. Verb transitive, check. Check again. Period, statement, declarative sentence. Go back to the verb. Separate the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No. Is this sentence in natural or inverted order? Natural, no change. Okay, now today I want you to look at, we're going to go back here. I want you to look at the next page, which is page 29, Unit 3, Group 2 test. You're going to do these sentences just like you did yesterday, and you did those sentences on your own, and tomorrow we're going to check them. So if you have any questions or problems, don't leave them blank, please. Try them on your own. Okay, try them on your own, see what you can do, and then come back. You are the one helping your brain. Do a good job at it, okay? So do your best to answer and then come back and check with me tomorrow. The sentence work is just like we did yesterday, okay? So look back at that page we did yesterday. So you're going to choose the correct word. The coaches drilled their team, so you're going to pick their. You're going to write the word their here. Is their singular or plural? Plural. What's the antecedent? Who is it talking about? Coaches. So for antecedent, you're going to write coaches. Is coaches singular or plural? It's plural. Okay? So you're going to fill that out the same way we did yesterday. This one too. But this one you need to identify the subject. The cars do circles around the track. We're going to pick the word do, and then we're going to write cars as the subject because we need to put the subject here. So cars, is cars a noun or a pronoun? Cars is a noun. Is it singular or plural? It's plural. And then your verb choice is do, so you're going to write the word do there. Use those pages I told you about yesterday to figure out 7 through 11. So this is page 124 in your book. use that page number to figure out if these are singular, plural, or either. Okay? Now, let's do this part together because this we haven't reviewed in a while. We're going to identify them as just a simple sentence, a fragment, a compound subject, a compound verb, or a compound sentence. Okay? Children were cutting out shapes and gluing them on paper. Okay, I have a subject which is children. What were they doing? Cutting and gluing. So this is going to be a simple compound verb. Okay. Snow fell last night, comma, and the roads were covered this morning. Comma and means that that's going to be a compound sentence. Jen and Christy, two people, found a turtle in the smith's yard. Two people, one verb, means that this is a simple compound subject. Riding along in my automobile. Who was? We don't know. So it's missing a subject, so that's a fragment. You start the car, comma, and I'll be out in a minute. Comma, and means that this is going to be a compound. Okay. Now, we did this bottom part similar to what we did yesterday, too. Okay. So, which ones of these are right? Children flew kites and played on the slide. They flew and played. That's a compound verb. That's not a compound sentence. So that is correct. There doesn't need to be a comma in that one. Children flew kites, comma, and they played on the slide. That's correct too because now we have the they here. So we do need the comma and. So that's correct. They flew kites and children played on the slide. Two subjects, two verbs, but there's no comma. So that's not correct. Her and me wanted to talk. It should be she and I wanted to talk because it is subject. Please answer the phone for I. Please answer the phone for me because it is objective. Don't make we kids go to bed. We is subject and that is not a subject. So it should be don't make us kids go to bed because it is objective. Okay, now we worked on this yesterday. There are 3 ways to connect compound sentences. Write a sentence demonstrating each one. So remember what we did yesterday? We had two, you need a subject and a verb, and you need another subject and the verb. So, the mom cooked dinner. Comma, but the kids watched TV. Okay, so comma, but is the first one. I've got mom cooked, kids watched. I have to have 2 things going on. Okay, so another way to do it is the mom cooked dinner, semicolon. And you need to use one of those words like however. Make sure it works in your sentence though. However, comma, the kids watched TV. The mom cooked dinner, semicolon, the kids watched TV. Okay? 3 ways to say the same thing, but 3 different ways to combine it. Comma, but, semicolon, however, comma. Okay? So this is what we're looking at right here, or just semicolon. Now, yesterday I had you changing one word. Today, I want you to try to make up your own sentences. Make sure it has two clear parts to it, and make sure the two clear parts make sense. And I want you to combine it all three ways and put that down in your comments. So it needs to look very similar to what I just did. You can even simply change the people and the actions, okay? Change mom to dad, and what did dad do? And then what did the kids do? If you just change it that much, I'll be happy, okay? But I want you to change the sentence, and I want to see 3 sentences combined in the different ways. Okay, and tomorrow we'll check 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and the part 1 and part 2 from this page. Okay? Get busy.